Ravi channel. First of all, thanks being here for my YouTube channel. See, so far I already completed some quant and reasoning topics. So those information available at our channel playlist. So you can check it out our channel playlist. You can get the each and every information related for all the topics what we are already completed. See, in this video we are discussing one more model related for time and work, deals with the combined work concept. See, who are new to this video, just go and watch my previous videos regarding time and work. So in those videos we already covered some questions related for time and work and we are completed basic concepts of time and work. See, first go and watch my videos and you can get the basic information related for time and work concept. Okay, let's start our session. See, let's see the first question for combined work. So the information says that to complete a work, A and B takes 8 days. So if you complete a one work, A and B together for 8 days. And B and C takes, so these work, B and C working together, it takes 12 days. And A, B, C can take 6 days. A, B, C can take 6 days to complete that work. Then how much time A and C will take? So if working for A and C together, how many days does it take? That is our question. See, if it is a combined work, AB together, BC together, ABC together, we don't know the individual efficiency. If you know the individual efficiency, we can solve the question related for A and C together for these work. First C, total work. So total work is a LCM of all the parameters. So LCM of all the parameters is 24 units. Then AB can do it in 8 days, means they performing 3 units per day. And BC they performing 2 units per day. And ABC together they for 4 units per day. Then see, so ABC do for 4 units. Out of AB 3 units, BC 2 units. Then see the equation. ABC per day they done 4 units. Then A plus B, B plus C can take it as A plus 2B plus C can do it as 5 units. So if you subtracting below equation to the above equation, then we left with a B value. B value we get as a 1 unit per day. See, if these value you should compare is for either these equation or these equation. For example, A plus B they are doing 3 units per day. Out of 3, B can do 1 unit. Then A can do 2 units per day. In the same way, B plus C is done 2 units per day. So out of 2, B can done 1 unit, C can done 1 unit. We can say that. So B can done 1 unit, A can done 2 units, C can done 1 unit. Here my question. So out of total work, C alone. So C alone they done only 1 unit per day. So it takes how many days? So it takes only for 24 days. So that is our answer. Okay, see the second question. AB together can do a piece of work in 12 days. AB together can do the piece of work in 12 days. BC together, so BC together they can done the work in 16 days. He said that A works for 5 days, B works for 7 days, C completed the remaining work in 13 days. Then how much time B alone does the whole work? See, if you done B alone means we need to find the efficiency of B. Then see, A done 5 days, B done 7 days, C done 13 days. But we don't know that the individual efficiency of A and B. First see, the total work is 48 units. Then AB together done in 12 days means they performing 4 units per day. BC done in 16 days means they done 3 units per day. Then see, A works for 5 days but we don't know the efficiency of A. But we know that AB efficiency per day is 4 units. See, converted these equations. See, A plus B done for 5 days. It means A plus B working for 5 days means A works for 5 days, B works for 5 days. Then I can go with a B plus C combined ratio. B plus C. See, so A here 5 days, that is completed. In these, along with A, B also working for 5 days. But entire work, B can be works for only 7 days. That's why B plus C we have only for 2 days as a combined work. Then see, so A here 5 days, B here 5, B here 2. So 5 plus 2 value becomes 7. So B completed 7 days. And C works for 13. We already know that C along with B working for 2 days means C alone with working for only 11 days. So this is the splitting of given works. Then see, A plus B done 4 units per day. They working 5 days means they are completed 20 units. In the same way, B plus C done 3 units per day, 2 days, 2 into 3, they are completed 6 units. Means, so they are completed 26 units out of 48. Means
remaining 22 units done by C in 11 days. See, C done by 11 days means they performing 2 units per day. So we can say that C performance of per day is 2 units. If C is 2, B plus C is a 3, then B value become 1 unit per day. In the same way, A plus B is a 4 units, out of B is a 1 unit, then A become 3 units. Here my question, B alone can do these work in how many days? So out of 48, B can performing 1 unit per day. It takes 48 days to complete these work. So this is the answer. So 48 days be the answer. Okay, see the third question. A and B can do the piece of work in 10 days. A and B can do the piece of work in 10 days. B and C can do the work in 12 days. B and C can do the work in 12 days. A and C can do the work in 15 days. A and C can do the work in 15 days. Okay. How long will A take to do it alone? So, if A working alone, how many days does it take? Then see, first I just identify that the total work is 60 units. Then see, A plus B performing 6 units per day. B plus C performing 5 units per day. A plus C performing 4 units per day. So, we need to identify A efficiency. If you want A efficiency means, if you joining off all the parameters 2 into A plus B plus C, if you add all these parameters, the per day efficiency exactly equal to 15 units. Then see, A plus B plus C, the value become 7.5 days. We get the efficiency of A plus B plus C is 7.5 days. But we need to find the A value. If you want A value means we need to subtract the BC value. We know that BC value performing is 5 units per day. Then A value become 2.5 days. So we get the efficiency of A. Then see, if these work can done alone, how many days does it take? So total units is equal to 60 units divisible by 2.5 can be written as 2 1 by 2. 2 1 by 2 can be written as 5 by 2. 5 by time means 5 become 12 times 12 2s are 24 days. Means these work A alone can do it in 24 days. Okay, see the fourth question. A, B, C together to do a job in 4 days. A, B, C together to do a job in 4 days. A, C together do it for 9.5 days. 9.5 days I can write as 9 by 2. And B, C together they complete the work in 12 days. Then how many days can C alone can do the job? So C alone can do the job in how many days? See, if it is a fraction, consider numerator be the LCM of those numbers. See, 4, 9, 12. So 4, 9, 12, the LCM become 36. Then see, if 4 become a 36, they performing 9 units. So 9 by 2 become a 36, they performing 8 units per day. Means see, 9, so 9 by 2 become a 36 means 2 by 9th of 36. 9 become 4, 4 2s are 8 units. Same thing, 12 become a 36, it become 3 units. If you observe that, see, A plus B plus C then performing 9 units per day. If you add these numbers, A plus B plus 2C, they performing 11 units. If you subtracted these value, C performing 2 units per day. Here my question, these work can completed C alone in how many days? So answer is 36 units of work. C alone 2 units per day. It takes for 18 days. So answer is 18. We see the fifth question. See the information. A piece of work can be done by AB for 10 days. So AB can complete the work in 10 days. BC can do the work in 15 days. And CA can do the work in 20 days. So this is the work. And of all are working for 6 days. And A withdraw the job. And B and C working for 4 days. And B quit the job. And C can completed the remaining work in how many days? That is the information. Then see, here total work is 60 units. So A plus B they performing 6 units per day. B plus C they performing 4 units per day. C plus A they performing 3 units per day. Then see, the total efficiency of per day of A, B, C. See, 2 into A plus B plus C, the value become 13. Then we get A plus B plus C value become 6.5 units per day. Then see, all working 6 days means 6.5 into 6. 6 are 36. 6 into 0.5 become 3. So they completed 39 units. Then B and C working for 4 days. They performing 4 units per day, means they are completed 16 units. Then see, 39 plus 16, they are completed already 55 units, means remaining 5 units done by C alone. So here my question, so what is the time required to completed these remaining work by C? Then see, so A plus B plus C, they completed 6.5 units. A plus B, they completed 6 units per day. Then definitely C value become half unit per day. If C can performing half unit per day, 5 units can be completed in 10 days. So these remaining were completed by C in 10 days. And these are the different questions related for combined work concept in a time and work. Thank you.